Area hello, now they welcome for football and Pidgin. After match, talk about how you see how Chelsea 0 and Arsenal 1. And we get Prince to be like saying now go get Chelsea fan and football fan, but we Arsenal just see on Arsenal win the match. So I got Prince to win. Now how you see the performance from Chelsea and also from Arsenal for this match?
And the team pay me well, brother.
They disappointed.
Yes, so I dey expect this man maybe draw. I be compare Chelsea fans, but when the Chelsea dey play this season, I don't like him at all at all. See, imagine our coach. See, if the only the lineup say we know is Ote say no come to win the match because how you Ote see this thing he put the cheat for match and Kabasik dey bench. That no make it at all. But I don't like the way Chelsea play today. But me, I be Chelsea fans, but I don't like. But I just way to know. I don't like it at all.
From waiting I hear from you now, you they complain about the coach and you say you don't like the way Chelsea played today. But so far, with what you don't see from this new coach now, Graham Potter, if you want rate what you don't see, we don't say it's still early, but if you want rate him from 1 to 10, now wait till you go rate Graham Potter.
Oh, I bet that guy knows a big work at all. You imagine you go bring Brighton coach Potter, make go coach big team, wey be like Chelsea. That experience no dey. So if na me be Chelsea owner now, I was say make they just sack that guy instantly because if Chelsea continue the way they play now, my brother, no, you no go even reach top 5 at all at all. So for me, I was say make they sack that guy. That guy no even dey play the way I take expect am at all at all. That be thing. Sometimes if I wan watch Chelsea match, I dey just dey vex because wetin I dey see. Imagine Man City yesterday. If you watch the Man City match, the way that they play ball, the Z, you know say these people want they serious for the title. See Chelsea match today. If Nancy, even the way that they attack ball, if Arsenal self they ginger pass Chelsea, they jam. If see our the game just pay me, the game just pay me well.
You see am for your face now, say you the best, you don't like what the team they play. But what you want see make the team do differently for the next round of games for this season before they'll go the World Cup break? What you want see Chelsea to do differently?
For me, as I talked before, I don't make they just sack our coach. Make they bring another coach come outside because that formation wey they use no matter at all. Even like Young now, all this the way they play, so no matter at all. Make they just go sack coach. Make they open on that new fresh player. When they play, I don't even like matter at all. Just for me, make they just sack the coach. In tomorrow morning, make they just sack and put another coach again. From my own view.
All right, now, God Prince, we thank you for your time.